let's continue. Yeah, like I say, they could be old, but yeah, no. I don't even collect them, so I don't know why I'd even consider. But you just never know. I do like to look at the old Coke bottles. I'll look at that too, but he's not going anywhere. There's stuff buried in the bank here. That's clothing. Alrighty, moving right along. I like that bottle too, but again, what do I do with it? What's up there? Right up to somebody's paddock. Ain't going. Bone though. Alright. Look at the snake skin. Guys, check that out. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the size of that. See that? Big eastern brown, I'm guessing. So you don't want to mess with them suckers, eh? They kind of don't give you second chances, them guys. Not seeing too much else. Some sort of electrical pin. That's the other two. A bit of moisture. They call that milk glass. I'm coming back from that injury, but Ooh. I do like that. Not a bottle guy, but wow. Yeah, that's definitely got a cork top. So it's got some age. Some sort of medicine bottle, am I guessing? What we got here? Look at a cup. You wouldn't believe this, but I'm not a cup guy either. No idea. Do I want that? No, I don't think I want that, but I want the bottle. You can come with me. I don't even know where I put those other ones down before. Looks like I might come back full. If I was a bottle guy, I'd start digging here. Oh, there's my little bottles over there. Good. Alright. So if you're a bottle guy, want to know where this is, let me know. I'll let you know. No water in it, that's good. Switch off guys while I put this stuff in my bag. So I'm not taking that one. Being screw top, it's got no age. So, and really what do I want with it? I've already got 3 bottles in my bag that I've got no use for. Anyway, let's move on. Shouldn't do that guys, that's a perfect spot for a snake to live. Underneath a piece of tin. I think that's a little bit rough to get to. Let's have a look. No, no. Let's do it. Cobweb. If you are coming down here, I'll clear that out of your way. It's a chair and a tyre. I've got to go back the other way anyway because it's a mountain of debris that'll just collapse when I walk on it. But, got to see a chair, hey? Cool. Let's go. let me know if you get sick of me talking or not too. The last couple of videos I didn't talk through, and someone made note that they preferred when I gave some sort of commentary, so anyway, don't know why. Not why anyone would want to hear me jabber on, but whatever. More snake habitat. Interesting. So it's probably off the back of a truck, a mud flat or something. It's rubber. Look over there. I think I did. Ah. Walk around that spider. Glass. Modern. Is that some other bird met with its demise there? Someone shorts. What were they wearing? Manta ray. That's best and less, I think. If I remember my brains well. Being the fashion guru I am. Right, back to the highway bridge. We'll go for a wander up here because we're here. And why not, right? Yeah, I can see. Might be worth coming down with a detector one day, you never know. You never know. Oh, humans were a charming race, aren't we? Anyway. Back to where it all began. Probably be a good place to kayak in and go for a bit of a fish. Doesn't look like it's drying up there at all. But there's barbed wire fences both sides, so I can't go any further on foot. I still got water. Maybe that's a job for another day as well. I don't know what that is. Part of a car, I'm guessing. That looks like a tow bar tongue or something. No, that's... I don't know. Part of a car. So I think there's probably quite a few people sit down here and have a bit of a fish. No telling. Well guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for riding along. Alright, I'm going to go for a wander up a dry creek bed, drying. This side's got heaps of water, but the other side appears empty. Haven't been here before. I didn't bring a metal detector, but my pinpointer and a digging thing, just in case. But we'll just have a wander, see what we see. Plenty of rubbish around for a back of nowhere creek. Anyway, let's go for a walk. Humans. You feeling someone's living here? Oh, I do. We'll go and say hello. Just got to keep my eyes open for snakes. There's been a few around lately. Weather's warm. 'Tis the season. Alright, here we go. I really don't know what to expect here, guys. Could be a 2-minute walk. Who knows? The metal. It's nice enough in here. Some broken metals. Actually, oh yeah, it's broken. I'm not a bottle guy, but I know a bottle guy. Interesting. Six-volt battery. There's quite a bit of glass actually, broken stuff. Non-broken one, but it's modern. If I do find any cool old stuff, I'll keep it obviously, but like I say, I'm not a bottle guy, I really don't know much about them. Just the difference between a cork's top and a screw top. Excuse me. Somebody's been having a party. Where was I going? Where's the creek going? Up here, I guess. Oh, here's a path. A bottle, it's probably 80s that one, 4X beer bottle. I've got to be a little bit careful too that somebody's property around me, I guess. I don't know. I don't know the layout of the land here at all, so I don't know how close we are to houses or anything, no idea. We're not in the city, but they're not that far out either. Mattress. There's some bottles there. I'm not looking for bottles, guys, just anything of interest really. We're just walking a creek. Seeing what we see. Oh, wow, there's a lot of them. These are the old 70s, 80s era ring pool style beer bottles. It's just broken. Yeah, that's all they are. There's the old Torleys. It's just an old wine bottle. Oh, full of water. Yeah. That fella there, I don't know what that is. That's a bit interesting. No idea. Might leave that up there and grab that on the way out if we find nothing else. Some thick old glass. What's that one? That's screw top. Still pretty cool. Might put it over there. That one. It's under there, nothing. It's like a corner in the creek here, so maybe this is just where everything catches, or I really don't know. I'm just making shit up. It's a Torley bottle, beer bottle. Another bong. screw it over here. Oh, so much empty bottles. Okay, where'd our creek go? Over this way. This is where it gets dicey with the snakes, guys. Me and snakes don't get along real well. There's a path heading up there. Let's try that first. That's very modern. Yeah, it's going nowhere. It's just where the cattle come down, I reckon. And there's water in here. Alright, let's do it. Little banana lounge there. Okay. Another path there. Oh man, it's so easy. Not what I was expecting, but easier than this, obviously. What's that one? Not to be taken. No idea. We'll put him back there. Head over here. We're breaking a leg. Oh wow. Ooh. What is that? Broken. Oh, that would have been pretty cool. Oh, teapot with a broken handle. Kind of like that, but what do I do with it? I'll leave it where it is. Keep moving, that's what we do. If I had the handle, I would take it 100%. Might be old. Again, I got no way of telling. No way of telling at all. Nice bone there. Is it human? I have no idea. It's the only one by the look of it, so yeah, who knows. that's bone. Check that bad boy out. That ain't human. That's for sure. No disrespect, old fella. Here you go. Piece of pottery. It's modern. Well, I wasn't expecting to find bottles. So it's cool. Looks like we've run out of land, but it's another dead kookaburra. Sunk. Yeah, kookaburra, something jumped in the water up there too. Who knows what. Try and jump over there without sinking up to my eyeballs. There we go. Yeah, he's not well. Oh, he's a bit on the smelly side too. Well, I got no way of getting around that without swimming. And that's not happening. So it's a short walk. Well, it's not as short as I was expecting, so all good. I'll leave you, Mr. Kookaburra, you stink. Alright. Somebody's thong. Little bottles, no. Whew, kookaburra stinks. That's pretty cool. Helen Spa Water Proprietary Limited. We got this little ecosystem happening in there. That's a cool bottle. But the ecosystem's cool, so it needs to stay. So there's a big old bone. The bottle up in there. He's staying there. So those of you who don't know, I'm in southeast Queensland, and back in 2011 we had some massive floods in this area that decimated the place, and that's why I say you wouldn't know whether human bones or not, because there were people that lost their lives and have never been found. It's an old Coke bottle. I might have to hang on to that one and drain the water out of him. Water / sludge. to use something embossed with the Coca-Cola, so it would have had a paper label on it at some stage. But it's not screw top, so it's old enough. I'll take it.